Hello, introducing another Kokoro corn sticks recipe you would surely love. So let us get into action quickly. This video I will be making corn sticks with corn flour and semo. Yes, semo is popular in Nigeria as a form of swallow. Semolina or semovita, whichever one. So I'll be using 2 cups of yellow corn flour. I'll add 1 cup of semovita. Semovita is actually made from wheat, just like the regular baking flour is made from wheat. So the full recipe will be in the description section. I'm just going to incorporate, I'm going to mix the flours together. Then I'll take out some portion, about 1 cup for dusting, and in the remaining flour I'll add my sugar and about 1 teaspoon of salt. So the reason I'm making this video is I've seen someone ask in the comment section that can I make my corn sticks with semo, so that is the main reason for making this video. And the next thing is, our regular way of making kokoro, you take out a little portion. So I'll be mixing it with half cup of coconut milk. I love using coconut milk, so half cup of coconut milk. Adventurous treats, a world to see, making joy and therapy with Kabir. But I'll add 1 cup of water and I'll allow it to boil. It's boiling already, so I'll just add my mixture to it as usual, and just begin to stir till it forms like a pap as usual, a normal way of making kokoro. So you can see that it has thickened, and now it's time to add your flour to it, and just pour it at once and keep on stirring on a low heat. Yeah, you can see my starch is formed already. Yeah. I'm moving my camera with my other hand. So after, just add little water. So quantity of water, just little, just like you're making swallow, and then you cover it up and allow it to gelatinize. So you cover it up and allow it to simmer. Yes, so it has simmered enough this way. So I'll just put it together off camera. You can see that my dough is ready. So that is one of the joys of using a non-stick pot. So I recommend you get the non-stick pot, especially if you are using it for commercial purpose. It allows the starch to form very well, and it allows your starch to rise very well, and it will not stick. You can see it. So our dough is ready. So you have to allow it to cool very well. So I'll just use my spoon to separate it so that it can cool. Remember our leftover flour for dusting. So I'll begin rolling my sticks now. I didn't even use the flour at all. You know what happens when semo gets cool? It becomes so hard. The corn sticks dough are ready, and I made some into cookies. So I deliberately press it to be thin so that it will be crispy, but you still have to be careful so that it will not be too thin when you are pressing. I made them into shapes. They are ready to be fried. Fry under low medium heat, and once the surface of your oil begins to be clear, know that it is ready and scoop it out. And for the cookies, you have to fry on a low heat. Once the oil is very hot, fry on a low heat. The cookies shape is just like frying chips, so as you stir, you know if it is dry and crispy enough, and make sure you maintain the golden brown color. So here is my corn sticks with semo. It tasted so nice, as if I added milk. It was so delicious. I really loved the taste. And also I made it into cookies. The cookies were so crunchy. It was so crunchy. I really love it, and it even gave it an extra taste. Remember, if you want to get these beautiful golden brown corn cookies, make sure you fry on a low heat and monitor it, because it does not take a lot of time before it gets done. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe.